You know, there's a saying that goes, don't be one of a million, be one in a million. Luckily, I can relate to that. My name is Taualuga, and yes, I am one in a million. Our Aumaga team, and especially I, will now dance to Tasi, Lasi by Victor and Fanny. Enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tasi sa reminder, Aumaga and the Taualuga Productions, were for your viewing pleasure for you this evening. Boys, let's move up a little, let's move up a little. We want to make sure that your parents can see you. Soso may luma, soso may luma. Yeah, Aumaga, sawiya.
Tasi, Lasi,
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Aumaga of Taualuga Productions. Ukamekisamo mao iangay. Lalo! Yo, 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 yo! Anta, my boys! Yo, 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 yo! Palaaw yay, palaaw yay! Lalo may Taualuga! Pakisay na lupa! Lalo may Aumaga! Yo, yo, yo! Atsa, my boy! Pagkain o Taualuga! Yo, yo, yo! Thank you very much for your kindness.